Hey, so I'm just doing like a little vlog. This is Sunday of different things. And of course, Sunday is free veggie day, so I went and got those. My kitchen is super messy as always. Mostly because we were shopping recently. And like, we don't have the space that I would like to have. And that can be a big issue, trying to keep things neat. So trying to grab this from right here. We got a couple things of lettuce. Isn't that beautiful lettuce? Get the other one out. Doesn't want to come out. I'm trying to do this with one hand. There we go. Two really beautiful things of lettuce. So, what I'm probably going to do is take these lettuces apart and wash them in my salad spinner. But I don't know if I'm going to do that actually because I don't have anything to put it in. Because regularly I would put it in a certain container, but that container's actually being used for something else right now. So I don't know. Maybe I'll just wash one of them and put it for the salad spinner, and then the other half I'll just have to put in the fridge as is. We've also got this lovely piece here. So, this is a Chinese cabbage. And then I also got some bok choy. So I can make some really like nice stir fry or soup or whatever. So that's pretty exciting for me because I love Chinese cabbage and bok choy better than like regular cabbage. What else do we got here? So I got a lot of cucumbers. Like, so many cucumbers. You will be like, what could you possibly do with all those cucumbers? Like, seriously, you're gonna be like, what? So also squash, some crookneck squash. Aren't they cute? Those are the little ones. There's also like a really big summer squash here, and a big zucchini. There we go. These are watermelon radishes. I know they look ugly. They need to be washed. And that's something I forgot to get at the dollar store the other day. I wanted to get a vegetable scrubber because I don't really have a good vegetable scrubber. And when you're getting stuff from the farms, and in here is just a bunch of string beans and broccoli. They didn't really have a lot of broccoli. They just had like these little weird pieces. So not a lot, but could be used for like a stir fry. And then a bunch of purple and green and yellow beans. So, and that was it this time. They did have potatoes, but I already have a lot of potatoes in the house, so I was like, I'm not gonna get those. And I don't know where the cucumbers are. I think they got left in the car. I think I may have put them in a different bag and they got left in the car. So I did get a whole ton of cucumbers and I will be getting them later. It's fine. They're cucumbers. They're not going to get hurt by sitting in the car for a little while. So yeah, I got a bunch of pickling cucumbers and one big seedless cucumber. And that was it. I was there kind of late, so I didn't get as good of a pick of things as I usually do. They did have a lot of basil, but I didn't want to grab any basil because I have some growing. And I didn't want to grab it because if you don't like use basil in some way right away, it doesn't keep good in the fridge. I've tried all the different tricks, and no matter what I do, it just doesn't keep very good in the fridge. So I really didn't want to grab some. But yeah, so that's that. And I'm also going to be doing some work in the beauty room today. We're moving some things around, and when I'm all done, it's going to be like really pretty, and I'm going to show all of that to you because I'm definitely finishing that off today. Okay, so this is kind of like a little vlog of my Sunday. So I'm having curtain rods put up. This is Eric.
Hi.
He's gonna put the curtain rods up for me. He's taking the old blind brackets down.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna have these pretty, there's one right here on my vanity. This pretty silver looking curtain rod. And these little fancy things on the ends. And I've got this curtain for one of the windows. The other window is gonna not have a curtain yet, because I gotta order another one of these, and then they'll both have the curtains. He's also gonna put up some plant hangers for plants, so I can have some plants in here, and that's how it's gonna go. And I'll show you a little bit more later. So this is, Bianca's asked me to organize her stuff. So there's a lot going on here. And we moved some things around. There's Selena getting very comfortable on that blanket that I put on the table. And we'll see everything when it's complete, like when it's closer to completion. I mean, is anything like this ever really complete? But we're doing a major overhaul in here, so you'll see. Well, so I still need to do a little cleaning right here and put all my body sprays and perfumes out. But you see I got some hair stuff here. I need to get some sort of thing for my jewelry, for my earrings. My necklaces and stuff go up here, along with a couple of my wigs. And I got a scarf. I need someplace for more scarves, I think, too. And nail polish is right here. I know I shouldn't have the light on them right now, but that's just how it is for the moment. I've got the mirror. And this used to be on the other side of the room. Has different things in it, some hair stuff. My lashes are in here with lash adhesive stuff. This has some nail things and some glitter stuff and sequins and things like that. And then this is where my masks go. I have this here. Oh, I'm gonna find some place to put that. Yeah, this is Bianca's area that I organized for her. So all her makeup is set up now. She's got some lippies up here, and she's going to be decluttering all this soon, because especially the lippies, she has so many lipsticks, and they're like this because she doesn't have the room for them. And her eyeshadow, she has her palettes right here. And she's got blush. She has lots of bronzer stuff. And yeah, her highlighters. She doesn't use a lot of foundation and stuff, so I'm not going to show you that drawer because there really is barely anything in it. And she's got perfumes over here. A few little things. And then comes my altar. So I won this the other day. It is a desk that used to be in the tea lounge here in Brattleboro. And it was hand painted by the original owner, Rose. And it's really, really beautiful. I like the fact that it's a little worn. There are a few things that we're gonna fix, like we're gonna put the other pull thing for the drawer. We found it. And this keyhole doesn't really work. but I think it's a really nice addition to this room, and it gives me a space to like do my meditation and spend some time doing my, like, you know, magic stuff. And yeah, I'm really, really happy with it. So I'm also going to be taking some pictures of that too, because my friends are saying, this is a new plant I just got. It's a bird's nest fern. Isn't it cool? And I have some other plants that are going to go in here. And I have a hanger here because I'm going to get a hanging plant eventually. And this is my table where sometimes I'll do some of my magic stuff, but also someplace I might do some of my videos. And Selena's really, Selena girl, Selena. We got my crow over there and one of my other lights. That one is broken. It really sucks, but it's broken. I know this is a little dark because I only have that one light on in here right now. So this used to be behind me. You would see it behind me sometimes, but we moved over here. And Lupe made this for me. She's one of my big fans and also my friend. And that I met basically because I did YouTube videos. We've got a few of my palettes, a mug, my kitty cat mug, candle. I've got my little milk glass that I like, some of my julep nail polishes. Here I might put a cat bed because Selena likes to sit in here when I do makeup, and she's probably gonna want to sit there. A couple of my hats are down there. And this is my space that I'm usually doing my makeup. And I'm not going through all of that because I'm not showing you every drawer and all that stuff right now. Because this already was set up. And we also put up these beautiful curtain rods. I'm going to show you. Get close up so you can really see aren't they pretty? Now we're going to go back to normal here. There we go. And I ordered another one of these curtains. They're already getting kind of messed up though, because the cats are like, hey, I can stick my head through this. Because they're not like curtains to block out the light. They just look pretty and sort of filter the light a little bit. And I ordered the other one that's going to go over here. So you can see we got the same curtain rods. The curtain rods I got for free from Buy Nothing, which actually, even though I sort of won this, it also was through the Buy Nothing group here in Brattleboro. So in my town, and that's everything. So I hope you enjoyed this, and look at my girl, my big fat girl stretched out. She's a cake. That's what I say instead of a loaf. She's a cake. Right, sweetie? Yeah. She loves to be in here. And she's really happy that we cleaned it up. It got kind of bad in here. This table used to be over there, and it was just chock full of stuff just piled up, and it was just terrible. So, and this little thing here is going to go up here for Bianca to put her jewelry on. So, yeah. This is something she made. I'm just going to show her off a little bit. Good vibes only. A little Pusheen sticker and some other things. It's pretty cool thing that she made. She's so talented. She made this years ago, this mosaic. Like, I think she was still a kid, but we keep it. So, but yeah, this is my space now. And I'm very, very proud of it. That we spent several days working on this, so I'm glad it's done. And yeah. So anyways, thanks for watching, and please, you know, share this video and give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. And it really, really helps me when you share these videos, so please do. Thanks for watching, and always remember to be kind even when your place is a mess.